Did you know that neglected brake fluid is responsible for thousands of brake-related failures every year? Hey there, drivers. Brian here. Today we're talking about something most people completely overlook until it's too late. Your brake fluid. That's right. This often ignored maintenance item could literally be the difference between stopping safely or not stopping at all. I'm going to show you the 5 critical warning signs that your brake fluid needs changing. And trust me, you don't want to miss these. First off, let's talk about color. Fresh brake fluid is typically amber or light gold in color, almost like a light maple syrup. If your fluid has turned dark brown or black, that's a major red flag. This discoloration happens because brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air over time. That absorbed moisture lowers the fluid's boiling point and introduces corrosion into your braking system. And here's the kicker. This happens even if you barely drive your car. So checking the color every 6 months is crucial, regardless of mileage. Warning sign number 2 is a spongy or soft brake pedal. When you press your brakes, they should feel firm and responsive. If there's a squishy sensation, or your pedal seems to sink closer to the floor than usual, that could indicate air or moisture in your brake fluid. This isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. That sponginess means your braking power is compromised, increasing your stopping distance when every foot matters. Sign number 3 is pretty straightforward. If your ABS or brake warning light comes on, don't ignore it. Modern vehicles have sensors that can detect when brake fluid levels drop below safe thresholds or when your brake system is having issues. These warning lights aren't suggestions. They're urgent alerts that something's wrong with the system responsible for stopping your 2-ton vehicle. The 4th sign is unusual noise when braking. While squealing brakes often indicate worn pads, a grinding or gurgling sound could point to contaminated brake fluid. As fluid degrades and absorbs moisture, it becomes less effective at providing consistent hydraulic pressure, causing components to operate inconsistently and create those concerning sounds. Our 5th warning sign is visible corrosion or leaks in your brake system. Quality brake fluid contains corrosion inhibitors that protect metal components. As these inhibitors break down over time, you might notice rust forming on brake lines or around your master cylinder. Any signs of leakage, even small amounts, demand immediate attention. So, how often should you change your brake fluid? Well, while some manufacturers recommend every 2 to 3 years, I suggest checking it at least annually or every 20,000 miles. Whichever comes first. And if you live in a high humidity area, or you do a lot of hard braking, you'll need more frequent changes. Remember, your brakes are your car's most important safety system. While other maintenance might keep your car running, brake maintenance keeps you alive. Want to check your fluid yourself? You can use inexpensive brake fluid testing strips that change color based on contamination levels. Or, just stop by any reputable shop for a quick fluid check. So there you have it, folks. 5 critical signs that will scream that your brake fluid is due for replacement. Don't forget to like and share this video with someone you know that probably has never checked their brake fluid. If you want to know how to perform a brake fluid flush in your own garage with basic tools, subscribe and stay tuned. Until next time, stay safe on the road.